You got her. Oh, you got her to eat it.
You gotta be careful with that broom, Carter. You can hurt someone.
Hey!
Hey! Ow!
Hit the thing on the remote.
No. Ow!
She's crunching her leg up.
Ow! I'm going back in the room and locking the door now. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut it off.
No.
How about that?
Uh-oh, Diego. I smell a fox. Pampas cats are afraid of foxes. When Pampas cats are afraid, they fluff up
How
the
about
hair
that?
on their neck and tail so they look
Give me
bigger.
that.
We all need to make ourselves look big to scare away the fox. Can you make yourself look big? Great. Really big?
Carter, that'll hurt someone. Carter.
Okay, so when you see
No,
the fox,
that's not good.
put your hands up like this and look really, really big. Ready? Look, there's the fox. Put your hands up and look big. Put them up high. He stopped. He's working. We've got to scare him away. Put your hands up and look really, really, really big.
Hey! No, not with that in here. No, because I don't want you to get nothing else in here wet. Tell him to put that down. Before you get
I didn't know water was in there. Put that
Put it down.
down.
Put it
He
back.
didn't know it was in there either.